Okay, about to cut this central piece of timber out, so that guy will fit in there. Face to face, so it'll be going in that orientation. What do I need to do? I've run a scribe line across the shoulder there where I'm going to stop. Nothing different than what you've seen before, only a different application of the same skills. Finger in the line. This time we're cutting on the inside of the line rather than the outside, and that makes a difference. Down the face, keep it as close to the line as you can. I probably won't do all of this video sawing it out because it takes a while, especially when it's a big piece of wood like this one. I'll just show you the important bit, and that's getting it started. Because it's a waxy timber, it's tending to grab the blade a bit. Okay, so we've got from there to there cut. Have a look, face to face. Yeah, I can see it's going to be a really snug fit. I'll need to trim this one, but I want to keep that cut out to the same size as the chisel. So I do really need to come out just on the inside edge of that line. Thumbnail in the line. Watch these fingers, don't want to do that. Can you see I started to go off there? I need to fix that by bringing the saw back around and correcting that angle. Now you can clearly see where I've jumped out, but that's cool, it's in the wayside, it's all going to get chopped out. Nothing wrong with making a mistake, so long as you learn how to fix it. Okay, so those two sides done. I'm not going to show you these two sides because it's exactly the same technique. Cut down, and then cut down, cut down. The only difference is this part won't fall out because it's still connected. That's what I'll show you next, how to chisel that part out. Very simple technique, but we'll get into that in video number. Let's see, we had 1D marking out, then I got interrupted by the announcement. So part 2 there, that was part 3. And the next one will be part 4, chiseling out the central section of the bridle joint, the corner bridle joint.